Stability diagram. These are graphical representations that help assess the ship stability under various loading conditions. GZ curve, writing arm curve. Show the writing arm GZ versus the angle of ship held essential for the understanding how the ship will behave when held due to external force. Kane curve represent the distance from the keel to the center of buoyancy. Kane as a function of heel angle. Use to calculate GZ using the formula. GZ equals Kane times sin heel angle. First curve of the stability. Show the writing arm GZ at various angles of heel for the different displacement. Help predict stability for different loading conditions. Hydrostatic curve provide data such as displacement, draft, trim, BM, metacentric height, and with surface area for various draft. Trim table. Trim table are used to determine the change in draft at the bow and the stern when weight are shifted longitudinally. Purpose: help the officer understand how to shape trim change when cargo is added, remove of ship. Information found: trim per unit weight move, trimming moment, draft change, etc. Usage: use the calculating draft at the forward and aft perpendiculars and to achieve desired trim for fuel efficiency and safety. Number 3. Stress table. These are used to ensure the ship hull is not overstressed under various cargo loading and ballast conditions. Bending moment and shear force table. Graphs show allowed actual values along the ship plane. Longitudinal strength booklet includes data for bending moment and shear force at the specific frames. Usage help ensure the cargo loading. Those are structural limits of the ship. Onboard tools and system. Modern ships often use loading computer system or stability software which integrate the above diagram and table for real-time assessment and simulation.